Hi guys, it's Trainer Jason here and welcome to the Pull-Up Series Volume 27. Today we're going to go through a Typewriter pull-up.
Reach up and grab the bar wider than shoulder width apart with an overhand grip. Breathe out and bend at the elbows while squeezing the shoulder blades together, making sure to pull yourself up until the bar is level with the top of the chest, ensuring that your chin is above the bar. From the top position, you want to shuffle your body to one side, making sure to fully extend the arm of the side that is away from your body. Make sure the movement is done in a slow and controlled manner. Once you've reached that side, immediately shuffle across to the other side. Again, keeping the movement controlled and deliberate. Shuffle your body back to the center of the bar. Breathe in and lower back down to the start position, making sure to fully extend at the arms. Make sure to go through the full range of motion, and repeat the exercise for the desired amount of repetitions. This exercise is difficult to perform, so make sure you've mastered the side to side and the archer pull-up before attempting this exercise.
So there's the Typewriter pull-up. If you like this video, please share on Facebook and Twitter, and if you have any questions you can leave me a comment below, or you can find me at facebook.com/trainerjasonromeo or twitter.com/tjrfitassist. I'll see you next time guys.